Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So now basically today we are going to see some another question which we need to write out in the Python program. And okay, so my question goes here that I need to write out a Python program to print out all even numbers from a given number list. Okay, see this is like the sentence for this program is written in a little bit larger way. Okay, do not basically worry and do not get panic while seeing this that okay, this is a very long question, how will I be able to solve this out and all those things. Okay, questions are always easy if the question is written in a in a very detailed way, then question becomes easy to solve. And if something is written in a detailed way, then that would be even that will take 3 to 4 sentences more to be explained each and everything in a very clear way, right? So do not worry, do not like panic while seeing the large sentence of questions. Okay, read out the question in small part actually. Okay, let's go here. So my question say that I need to write out a Python program to print out all even numbers from a given number list. So this is my first part that I need to write out the print program to that I have a list, and from that particular list I need to print out all the even numbers. Second condition, in the same order and stop printing if any number that comes after 20 in the sequence. Okay, I need to print out all of the even numbers in a given number list, right? And I need to stop. Okay, I need to stop at that particular number where 20 comes. If any number comes after 20, then I do not need to print that. So my condition will only go till the number that is 20 which is present into my sequence. Right, so here we have this 20 number, right? You are able to see this 20 is present this side. Fine. So now what I would be doing into this program is that first of all, I would be checking out that is my number equal to 20 or not. If that is not equal to 20, then I would put out a condition that I need to find out the even number. So if something like, let's say we take a variable that is x. Okay, so if x percent 2 is equal to 0, then in that case basically give me the even number, otherwise let it be whatever it is, right? This is the whole idea of the program. I hope that you got the idea. First of all, you need to check out that is that number even or odd. Okay, if is that number, first of all you need to check out that is that number equal to 20. Okay, now if that condition is not satisfied, then inside this will be applying that another elif condition, and then you will be giving that okay, if this is the first condition does not satisfy, then in that case I need to find out the even number, and that I would be doing very easily, right? We all know that how we just find out the even number from a list. The procedure is if x percent 2 is equal to 0, right? Okay, I would just not directly move into PyCharm for writing out this program. I would just go on to the OneNote once and just give you a little idea regarding this program. Okay, let me close this here and let me take out a color from the site. Okay, let me take this one. Fine. Let's say I'm having a list and that is, let's say, num. Okay, just 1 second. Let's say num is one of my list that I am having. Num is equal to, and let's say I define some numbers. Let's say 2, 4, let's say I have 7, I have 9, I have 10, and let's say here I define 20, then I have, let's say 22, I have 1. Okay, let's say this is the list which actually I am having here. Now I need to, first of all, I need to check out that is my number not equal to 20, right? Because I need to stop at this 20th number. Wherever I just get this number that is 20, I need to stop at this position, right? For that, first of all, I'll be applying a for loop. For I in num. For I in num. This is my condition which actually satisfies. For I in num. Okay, right. This goes. Now, I would be applying another condition that if, okay, if I is equal to 20. My first condition that if my I is equal to 20, then simply print me that number and break from there and stop and come the whole control of my program and stop that program at that particular place only where you get the number is equal to 20. Okay, this is my first condition. Second applies my elif condition. Let me come down. Second applies my elif condition. Elif. X, no, not X. I. Elif I percent 2 is, okay, where I have written this elif, I need to write it in the indentation only. Now, what matter that if I'm not writing onto the pie chart, but then also I need to write it in the indentation. So here goes the elif I% 2 is equal to 0, and then print I. Right, so I just applied both of my conditions which were asked to me to write in the program, that I need to firstly check out that is the number not equal to 20, and if it is equal to 20, in that case break the statement from that particular place, and if it is not equal to 20, then come on to my second condition and check that whether that is even number or not. Let me just hold on the cursor. Okay, let's understand that how this working will actually take place here. Okay, let's understand that thing. Fine, this is my num. Right, I applied a condition for I in num, that is it will basically for check each and every number in the num. My first condition, if I is equal to 20, so we're starting from the very first number 2. So is 2 equal to 20? No, it's not the case. This is not my case which is actually applying here. I would just zoom out. Okay, just 1 second. Where's my cursor actually? And let me come down. I'm just trying that it comes onto one single place only, right? Okay, I would check that if num is I is equal to 20. No, this condition does not satisfy. So it will come onto a new line. Into the new line, into the next condition, I have written I% 2 is equal to 0. Yes, now is 2% 2 equal to 0? Yes, that is true. So in that case, I'd be getting the answer here as 2. Fine. It will again go above into my for loop and it will check for the second number. On second number as well, I'll be getting the condition that 4% 2 is equal to 0. Yes. So in that case, I'll be printing 4. Now it will check for 7. That is this condition true? No. 7% 2 is not 7% 2 is equal to 0. No, this is not the case. 7 is my odd number. So in that case, the 7 will not be printed. Neither 9 will print it. Now it will come to my 10 and it will check 10% 2 is equal to 0. Yes, that is the true condition. And 10 would be printed. Now it will again come to this 20. Here after it will go to for in my num, it will check if I is equal to 20. Yes, it will get that 20. I am having here is 20, right? So 20 is equal to 20. And then I need to print the 20 here. So it will actually print me 20 and it will break from that particular place. Now none of my loops will actually go after this 20. Whatever numbers I have written after 20, that will not at all be executed. Right, so this is the whole idea of the program. Let me go on to the pie chart and write out the same procedure that I have applied there. Okay. Okay, we are already having a list here, so just let me take that particular only. I would just not change that here actually. Num. Okay, numbers. And let me take it, put out the variable as num. Right, this is my list which I have taken. Now, my condition goes that for I in num is my variable in which my list is stored, right? For I in num, if I is equal to 20, this was my condition, right? I need to check out for the number 20. If I is equal to 20, then print me I and break from this particular place, right? And if it is not the condition, so in elif, what to do? In elif, I need to write that I% 2 is equal to 0. I% 2 is equal to 0 and print me here the I and stop my whole loop. And now I would just run out my program. Now just have a look at what answer I am getting. I am getting 2, 6, 34, 44 and then 56. Let's tell it from the whole list which I am having. Just 1 second, let me take it here. Fine. It checks for 2. Yes, it finds that it is an even, so it printed me. It checks for 6. It finds that it is an even number and it is not 20 as well. It is 6, right? So it printed me that. It checks for 1, 3, 7, 9. It found all of them odd, so it has not printed them. Then it checks for 34. It printed that as an even. 87 was odd, so it did not print it. 23 and 65 were also odd, so that were not printed. Then 44 was printed because it is even. 21 isn't printed because that is odd. 56 is printed because that is even, and 20 is printed because here my condition goes that if I is equal to 20. So if 20 is equal to 20, yes, this is the correct condition and it printed me 20, and after that it did not printed me anything because I simply break out the program from that place and it says that write out a Python program to print out all even numbers from a given number list in the same order and stop printing if any number that come after 20 in the sequence. Right, so I hope I just made this program very much clear to you that how we can write out the programs like this. See, the program was super easy, right? So there were only 6 to 7 lines that are needed to write out this program, but the question was a little bit larger, right? So do not worry for if the questions are larger, right? So we'll be seeing out some other question in the next video. So this was all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.
Thank you.